Hey, I'm Rachel and Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and today I'm answering your question. This comes from Amelia, and she asks, is it more beneficial to have a clear board description that reads well or one that is full of keywords? Awesome question, and my answer is actually both. On Pinterest, you want to make sure, it's people, humans are reading everything, your pin descriptions, your word descriptions, all that stuff. So you don't want it to just be keyword stuffed. You want it to sound conversational, but at the same time, being strategic and using keywords. So if there's a way that you could create a conversational sounding board description that reads well and includes keywords, that's going to be your best bet. I hope you found that helpful. If you haven't yet grabbed my free Pinterest cheat sheet, just go to she'smakinganimpact.com and you'll see it right there. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.